My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called Cosw. Cosw is a special ransomware that may damage the files that users store on their computers. Now, it is certain that before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. But because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Cosw ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Then users might restart their computers and suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably, so it is not possible to use the files after the ransomware attack. Well, the ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this special Cosw extension additionally to the file name. So very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that the files are no longer accessible. So now you can clearly see the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Cosw extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a certain ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom you may just waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start carefully examining the system. Combo Cleaner will be in the trial mode initially, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the files from being damaged in the future. Once again, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to get your data protected from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations, and some threats can always be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.